Hi, my lovely viewers. This is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you, and I am Ayesha Akter. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the term Python is not recognized. That means, first of all, we have installed Python program. This version, that is, here we can see easily here Python 3.12.164 vit. Then when we go for the open, then MD mode, if we press Python version, see the Python is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. To fix this problem, we have to go the location where we have installed. First we will go user, app data local, programs, here Python. So in this way we can select the path location, copy path. Then we have to go the edit the system environment variable. So here environment variable, here I have two systems. There's user variable for administrator. My laptop name is Omen, that's why it's here Omen, and the system variable. First of all, we have to create the path. Okay, now we will come here the path selection, then edit. We have to create the new path that we have copied before, then okay. Folder, we have to direct click on the path. Here copy address text, edit, delete story. We will take it copy address. Then go to the systems again. Here copy address, then again go to the edit system environment variable, here path, edit, location, okay. Now the time for checking. CMD promote version python and Python version. See, we can get the Python version name. If we compare here Python 3.12.164b as well as the same 3.12.1. Thank you so much.